So I enjoyed this workshop, particularly because I could relate to you all. It's real, unlike the Ramdev Babas on TV. I mean, of course, I'm not suggesting passing an opinion, but to me, while he might be good, but I don't relate to him because I don't see he living. I think he's I mean, this is real in the sense I see both you all talking about things that I relate to our daily life. You all have gone through it, done this out of experience. So I was very clearly able to relate to it, and that built a lot of faith. The very powerful word that you used in looking at this posture. In fact, that got me coming here even today. While a lot of these 2 sessions have been very informative, but I think I particularly picked 3-4 keywords, which I think was worth all the time that I spent in this 2 days, which is the definition of faith. And I think I'm going back with a lot of pressure because I realize now everything that can get done is all within me. It's only I. I mean, I can't correct the others. If anything has to be corrected or anything has to be good for me, it is me who can do that. So everything is stems from the I. It's me who can make things good for me again, whether dealing with whatever and so on. And the second thing that I particularly liked is what Mr. JK just mentioned. I'm doing all this while I'm immersed in life. So it is in my real life situation. That, unlike Ramdev Baba, because to me that's an ideal world. I mean, that doesn't exist, so I don't relate. But here I see in all that you all shared, that you all have lived through what we are going through, the regular predicaments of life, the miseries of life, and being in all this, how do you manifest all that you're learning? I think that's some of the key takeouts that I take with me, and I'm thankful to that.